Welcome back to Scotty's Hobbies. Today I'm going to show you the location of your vapor canister on a Dodge Charger. Today I'm looking at a 2007 year model. This is the V8 5.7 liter, but this will be applicable to the V6s as well, not just the V8s. Anything of this generation is going to be the same for this video, or in this video. Also, if this video does help you out, comment below with the year, make, and model of the vehicle that it did help you on. Let everybody know that it worked for your vehicle and it should work for theirs as well. So let's get going. I'm going to hijack my own video real quick. I've been talking to some friends since filming this video, fellow mechanic friends, and come to find out this video is pretty much good for what should be the 2006 to 2023 Dodge Chargers. Now the canister I'm showing you in this video might not be the same one on your vehicle because they went through a ton of variations on the style of canister that they used on the Dodge Chargers, the Challengers, and the Magnums. So 2006, 2023, your canister should be in this location. If it is, make sure to comment below and let everybody know the year that it actually did work on your vehicle as well, just so everybody knows, okay? Let's get going back to the video. I have it in here doing a EVAP smoke diagnostic, trying to find an EVAP leak, a small leak. You can see 5.7, I believe it's a 5.7. We're going to assume it's a 5.7, but a 2007 year model. And let's get going to the rear of the vehicle, located at the passenger side rear wheel inner fender well. You can see I got the plastic off already. There's plastic clips and a few screws holding it in. The one screw that's holding, or the one screw you're gonna have to take off, is located right here on the inside of the fender well. I think it was a 7mm that it took to get it off, and it was just finger tight. Look straight up, you're gonna find your vapor canister. Here's the actual canister right here with the eSIM, or your leak detection pump, located right on top of it. But your canister, vapor canister, located on the top side of the passenger rear inner fender well, pretty much right next to the trunk. This one's pretty nasty. It has a wasp nest, an old one, and a black widow egg. Ugh. So, vapor canister, location. If this video did help you out, make sure to comment below with the year, make, and model of the vehicle. Like I said, check out the video library for a ton of other helpful videos. I'm going to have a bunch of videos coming out on the maintenance of this vehicle, so this generation Dodge Charger, and I'll see you guys on the next hopefully helpful video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share before you go too far. Thanks for checking out Scotty's Hobbies. I'll see you later.